Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. In this series, I'll talk about weather events that occurred in the United States on the same day as the video was posted in years past. Today, that day is April 3rd. On this day in 1898, Chilkoot Pass, Alaska in the Yukon was hit with an avalanche. This was during the Klondike Gold Rush, during which avalanches were common in the mountains, but this one is notable because it was responsible for the deaths of more than 60 people traveling over Chilkoot Pass and buried 142 others. On this day in 1964, a destructive F5 tornado hit the city of Wichita Falls, Texas. KAUZ, the CBS affiliate in Wichita Falls, broadcast the event, which was one of the first times a tornado was ever shown on live television. The tornado killed 7 people, injured 111 others, and caused destruction to 225 homes during its 5 to 6 mile path. Sheppard Air Force Base suffered extensive damage, where there were 3 tanker planes, a hangar, the power plant, and a chapel, all of which got destroyed. The tornado was estimated to have caused over 15 million 1964 United States dollars in damage. On this day in 1974, it was day 1 of 2 of the 1974 super outbreak, the second largest tornado outbreak on record for a 24-hour period, just behind the 2011 super outbreak. It was the most violent tornado outbreak ever recorded, with 148 total tornadoes reported, including 7 F5s, 23 F4s, 34 each of F3s and F2s, 38 F1s, and 12 F0s throughout 13 U.S. states of Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, and New York, plus the Canadian province of Ontario. The outbreak was responsible for 319 fatalities, 5,484 injuries, and roughly 843 million 1974 United States dollars in damage, which would be equivalent to over 5.5 billion in 2024 United States dollars. On this day in 1987, an extensive slow-moving low-pressure system produced heavy snows over the Appalachian region lasting through April 5th. The mountain pass Newfound Gap in western North Carolina saw 5 feet of snowfall, the most from a single snowfall in the state's history. Southeastern Kentucky saw up to 3 feet. Charleston, West Virginia saw 25 inches of snow, which was almost 5 times the previous record for the month of April of 5.9 inches. Akron, Ohio established an all-time record for that location at 20.6 inches. Snow closed Interstate 40 for the first time since it was opened in 1967. Thunder and lightning accompanied the snow in some areas, while a trace fell as far south as Mobile, Alabama. This was the first time ever snow was reported in April in Mobile, Alabama, since records began in 1872. The storm became known unofficially as the Dogwood Snowstorm, as many trees had fully bloomed. That will do it for this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because every time there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video, and please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video.